What does $3 million buy you in the gorgeous community of Carmel Valley here in San Diego? Take a look at this property. Welcome to your dream home in the coveted Carmel Valley community of San Diego. This stunning 4-bed, 3.5 bath home offers canyon and ocean views on 3,100 square feet of living space. It sits on a 1/3 acre park-like lot. It's been upgraded throughout and features an open floor plan with high ceilings and tons of natural light. The living room connects to the gourmet kitchen with upgraded countertops and cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and generous storage. The dining area provides easy access to the backyard patio and outdoor living space, which is perfect for entertaining. The luxurious master suite includes a spacious walk-in closet, spa-like ensuite bathroom, and breathtaking hill views. The remaining bedrooms are equally impressive, each with unique features and ample space. The outside backyard oasis features a covered patio, lush landscaping, and room for outdoor dining and entertainment. This home also offers a 3-car garage and convenient laundry room. It's located within walking distance of award-winning Ashley Falls Elementary and Torrey Pines High School. It's just minutes from the beach, shopping, dining, and entertainment. With easy access to the 5 and 56 freeways, you'll love all that San Diego has to offer. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to own your own piece of paradise in Carmel Valley. And if you're looking to make a move into or out of San Diego, my name's David Domangos. You can reach me. All of my information is in the description. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.